Good morning, students. Firstly, Happy New Year to all students. Today, we are going to study here next one chapter in your second semester syllabus 14 Banks and Simple Interest. Yesterday, completed this chapter Profit and Loss. Then today, we are going to start here this new chapter Banks and Simple Interest. Banks and Simple Interest. Bank. A bank is an organization recognized by the government that carries out monetary these transactions. Bank, it is an organization, means to keep safe money. To keep, in short, to keep safe money. How to open an account in a bank? Get a form for opening an account in the bank, fill it correctly and sign. Then get the signature from an existing this account holder in that bank is reference. Attach these following documents with you: proof of residence, proof of identity, copies of latest photographs. Then types of accounts here, two types: saving account and current account. Then interest rate see. Interest is paid by the bank on the deposits by account holders, and interest is charged on loans lent by banks. The interest charged on a fixed principal of is rupees 100 per year. It is called as a simple interest. And SI, see here, this SI means simple interest. This full form of this SI, simple interest. Then here P means principal, R means rate, and T means time. Then formula is simple interest. SI is equal to P into R into T divided by 100. SI means here simple interest. Simple interest is equal to principal into rate into time divided by 100. And amount, total amount of this simple interest amount is equal to formula SI plus P, simple interest plus principal. Simple interest plus principal. Then see in your textbook page number 76, practice set 35. Practice set 35. First one. What would be the yearly interest on rupees 6,000 at 10 PCPA? Here, what would be the yearly interest? And rupees 6,000 means P is given here 6,000. Then rate is given R 10 PCPA. 10 PCPA means percentage per annum. Percentage per annum. This T PCPA, and here time also given here by the yearly time is given here 1 year. Then write this formula SI is equal to P into R into T divided by 100. Then put these values here: 6,000 into 10 into 1 divided by 100. 0, 0, 0, 0. Then 16 into 10, 600. Rupees 600 this simple interest. The yearly interest would be rupees 600. In this practice set 35, see this second one example. Mahesh deposited rupees 8,650 in a bank at the rate of 6 PCPA. How much money will we get the end of the year? Here principal is given here rupees 8,650. Then rate is given here 6 PCPA, and here time also given here. End of the year 1 year here. Then write here formula SI is equal to P into R into T divided by 100. Then SI is equal to here, put here values 8,650 into 6 into 1 divided by 100. Then this 0 here 0. Then 5 divisible by this 5. 5 2s are 10. Here 5 1s are 5. Here 3. 3 means here 36. Then 5 7s are 35. And here 5 3s are 15. Again 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. Then 173 into 3. Do this multiplication. 3 3s are 9. 7 3s are 21. 1 2 carry through 590. SI is equal to here 519. 519. Then here how much money will be the get at the end of the year? Means here amount, right? Amount is equal to SI plus P. SI here 519 plus here P is here 8,650. Then answer is here rupees 9,169. 9,169. Mahesh will get rupees 9,169 at the end of the year. Below answer write in full form. Mahesh will get rupees 9,169 at the end of the year. See this third one example. Ahmad Chacha borrowed this rupees 25,000 at 12 PCPA for 1 year. What amount will he return to the bank at the end of the year? Here principal is given rupees 25,000. Then R also given here 12 PCPA, and time also given here 1 year. 1 year. Then write this formula. SI is equal to P into R into T divided by 100. Then here put these values 25,000 into 12 into 1 divided by 100. Then this 20 here also 20. SI is equal to 250 into 12. Then SI is equal to do this multiplication. Answer is here 3,000 rupees 3,000. Then what is the total amount will he have to return to the bank at the end of the year? Then you write here amount is equal to formula SI plus P, otherwise P plus SI. Then 3,000 plus P here 25,000. 3,000 plus 25,000, answer here 28,000. Amount here this 28,000. Then below answer write Ahmad Chacha will have to return rupees 28,000 to the bank. Again one example remain. This remaining part tomorrow. Okay.